Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Story with this video is I was recently thinking of reposing my Hot Toys Classic Predator, so I thought why not I should do a video at the same time and explore few poses with this figure with you guys. So I'm like making this a new series on my channel. Whatever figures I have, I will try to do like a video and explore new poses for that figure. Maybe I can just put some new life into that figure. So this first pose is quite simple one. It's like a museum pose, but it's like standing predator, like a cover, movie cover sort of pose. It works quite well. It's like a dramatic standing pose. So I was looking at some like posters of the predator, and that inspired this pose. So I think this turned out very well. So you just can follow what I did in terms of articulation to get this pose. It's very simple. It's like sort of museum pose. The head is turning on his left. The leg joints on my figure are a bit loose, so it's very difficult to make him stand without the stand, but hopefully on your figure it will work without the stand as well. So this is the first pose. I'm very happy with it. It looks like dramatic standing pose. If you have a dark display like with black background in your shelf, it will work very good because it looks very dramatic. Now this pose is like a very action oriented, like screaming pose from the end of the first Predator. I'm sure this scene everyone remembers it, so I'm just copying that as much as I can. This is like from at the ending of the first Predator movie, the classic one, where it's like the legs are wide apart and he's screaming. So yeah, just follow what sort of accessories I'm using with this. Like mouth plates are open and the hands are also open, so you can very easily can get this pose. Now I want to take this time to invite you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, uh, and share as much as you can, because these videos take a lot of effort. So if you just like or share your thoughts, I would highly appreciate it. So here it is. This pose pretty much is done, and as you can see it does look very good as well. The predator looks menacing. It's action oriented pose, and it shows that it is screaming like at the end of the first movie. Now this third one is my favorite pose from all the poses in this video, because this pose can work very well if you are displaying it on lower shelf, or even if you are displaying it on the higher, the very high shelf. This pose will still work with it. So that's why this pose is very versatile to use if you're displaying him lower or higher. For this pose, the hand with the blades, it needs to be bent and higher, and you just turn his face to his right, and then this pose is also very easy to follow, and it looks very menacing, action oriented, and sort of like movie cover inspired as well. Yeah, so this can work higher. This can also work if you're displaying him lower. So yeah, even with the stand it looks very good. Okay, so for this last pose, I am bringing out the his biomask, because biomask look is also very iconic, and it does look very good in poses as well. So yeah, this pose is with the biomask. This pose is also inspired from the first classic movie, where at the end of the movie, the predator uses the computer on his arm. So yeah, I'm just mimicking that same pose, and this turned out very well, as very good as well. If you want to follow, this one is very easy as well. You just open the computer on his arm, and then the hands provided by Hot Toys are very good if you want to do this pose. I think this is a pretty self-explanatory, so just follow, and then use the finger hand on the other hand to make it look like it's using the computer. And here it is, this pose is also done. I think I enjoyed this video very much. I tried new poses, and then I hope you also get something from this video. If you like this video, please hit like button, and please comment your thoughts. If there is any particular figure you like me to do new poses with it, let me know, and do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you.